Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 20th of September, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we have a Practice 3.1 worksheet that you received in class today that is dealing with rational numbers. Please make sure that you're using your journal and the examples from your journal when completing that assignment. In science, we have our metric quiz tomorrow, so make sure you're reviewing your notes. Make sure you're reviewing your metric chart that you created earlier this week. Social studies, there is no homework. We do have junior achievement tomorrow. In language arts, we need to study the big ideas for our chapters 1 through 6 for our quiz tomorrow. It should be a short quiz. Please bring earbuds with you. This is completely optional, as we will be doing Free Write Friday following our quiz. In literature, all of our Seedfolk vocabulary is due in the typed version via a Google Doc from Mrs. Shaver's class. You've had over a week to get that done, so there's no reason that it is not done. All right. One last piece of information. If you would like extra credit in science tomorrow, you need to come in at the beginning of your class and you need to sing the metric song that you learned, that was sung to you either by Miss Falk or by myself, Mr. Sperling, earlier this week. If you can do that with 100% accuracy, then you will receive 2 extra credit points on your quiz. That's it for today. Have a great day.